What's up? So today we will be unboxing arguably the most underrated Nike Air Force Ones. Oh, I got a notification here. Battery usage. Okay, my phone's battery is low, but I'll be able to finish this vlog. Arguably the most underrated Air Force One Nike Air Force One variants, and in my opinion, well, not in my opinion, for a fact, the most futuristic looking ones. Here's the box, and we're about to do a little unboxing here. Then I'll fit them on, and so you get a general look of the style and everything. So you guys ready? Let's get it. Moment of truth. Surprising, yo. Ladies and gentlemen, I introduce to you the high shell Nike Air Force Ones. You know, streetwear aesthetic and waterproof and everything, and just the styling is so futuristic-esque, you know. Let's get a closer look. Shells. Now, let me see if I can get a thumbnail. A good thumbnail here. Okay. Oh, that's a good thumbnail. I think I'll figure it out. So now I'm gonna actually put them on and see, so you guys can see how they look worn. You know, when I walk with them, you know, maybe a few jumps and different angles of walking, so you can get an idea of how cool these look on feet. Seeing them like this doesn't do them justice, so I'm about to do that right now. Okay, we've got the screen centered. My flip-flops right now, so I'll put the first one, the left foot one on first. Now it is a bit of a tight squeezing because it feels like a sock. It feels more like a sock than a shoe. You can feel it kind of wraps around your foot like a sock. I don't really need to tie them all the way, as this is just a demonstration of, you know, the walking style. Oh, you guys notice my Nike gloves too. My Nike finger cut gloves matching the shoes. You know what I'm saying? Let's put the right one on now. Again, no need to tie all the way. Yeah, you guys can see properly there. You can sort of get an idea of the look. The look is really imposing and eye-catching, and it looks kind of this futuristic style, streetwear style. Matching them with the gloves. Man, Nike really do be snapping for real. Okay, now let me see if we can get like a full lower body fit check with this landscape camera view. This is usually the type of, you know, section you'd film with a vertical camera to get the whole fit. But now the main point is just the shoes. So we're not doing a full fit pick. As you can see, I'm just in a casual home tee. Okay, that should be good. It's time to remove them now, as I'm ending off this review, unprofessional ass review vlog. The professionalism was not the goal at all. Just displaying the purchase and the shoes is the only goal of this. So, yeah. And that is it, guys. That is pretty much a quick impromptu unboxing review of the High Shell AF1 Nikes right here. And yeah, I must say, these are impressive. They're my favorite, one of my favorite shoes. You know, these shoes are kind of along the line of the Puma XOs. Y'all remember that the Weekend Puma collab, the XO Pumas? They have a similar design like this. This style in general is one of my favorite sneaker styles, and yeah, had to show you guys these sick ass sneakers. So yeah, I'm ending it on this note, and we'll see you again in the most random video in the future, whatever the hell that's gonna be. We're just freestyling here. No content schedule, no content strategy. Buy something, review it. Go to a certain place, vlog it. It's random.